Good morning, students. Welcome to Maths class. I hope all are fine by the grace of God. Today we are going to continue the exercise 3.3 problems. So last class we have seen exercise 3.2 and exercise 3.3. First two sums we have seen. So let us continue with the third sum. So what is the third sum? Solve the equation 3x cubed minus 26x square plus 52x minus 24 equal to 0 if its roots form a geometric progression. So the given equation is what? Cubic equation. Why? Because degree of the equation is what? 3. The highest power of x is what? 3. So degree 3. So we will have 3 roots. So what are the roots? Maybe we will take it as alpha, beta and gamma. But what they given in the question? They given if its roots form a geometric progression. What is geometric progression? In 10th standard we have studied about geometric progression. That is, we can say GP. So yeah, suppose consider the sequence 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 and so on. So if the sequence is a geometric sequence or geometric progression, there must be common ratio equal. So what is common ratio? T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T2 is equal to T4 by T3 is equal to T5 by T4 is equal to T6 by T5 and so on. See that here 4 by 2 equal to 8 by 4 equal to 16 by 8 equal to 32 by 16 equal to 64 by 32. See that every common ratio is what? 2. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. 1 8 is 8. 2 8s are 16. 1 time is 16. 2 times of 16, 32. 1 time is 32. 2 times of 32 is what? 64. So the common ratio is what? 2. If the common ratio is equal, then we can say the sequence is what? Geometric progression or geometric sequence. So in geometric progression, usually we take the 3 terms. So what are the terms? A by R, A and AR. What are they? A by R, A by R, A and AR. So we will take this. First, what is the given cubic equation? 3x cubed minus 26x square plus 52x minus 24 equal to 0. The coefficient of x cube is what? A. So we will take 3. And B, coefficient of x square minus 26. And C, coefficient of x 52. And D is what? Constant term. So D is equal to minus 24. So what is summation alpha? That is S1 equal to what? Alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to what? Minus B by A. And what is S2? Summation alpha beta. That is what? Alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha is equal to what? C by A. And what is S3? Summation alpha beta gamma is equal to what? Alpha into beta into gamma is equal to what? Minus D by A. So just recall this. Here the given 3 roots form a geometric progression. So what are the roots? Let the roots be alpha is equal to A by R, beta is equal to A, and gamma is equal to A into R. So what is S3? Summation alpha into beta into gamma is equal to what? Alpha into beta into gamma is equal to minus D by A. Minus D by A. Here the value of alpha is what? A by R, and beta is what? A, and gamma is what? AR. is equal to minus d. The value of d is what? Minus 24. So minus of minus 24 plus 24, and the value of a is what? 3. So here we can cancel r. So a into a cube is equal to 1 3 is 3. 8 3s are 24. So a cube is equal to 8. So a is equal to cube root of 8. ஏனா இந்த சைடுல இருக்க cube on side பண்ணனும். Cube root of 8. What is cube root of 8? 8 we can write as what? 2 into 2 into 2. So இப்போ என்ன பண்ணனும்? Cube rootல 3 நம்பர் தான் அந்த 1 எடுத்துக்கணும். So a is equal to what? 2. Actually what is a? Here a is what? Beta one of our roots. சரியா? So a is equal to 2. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணனும் நம்ம? Cubic equationல 3 roots இருக்கும். அதுல ஒரு roots கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம். மத்த ரெண்டு roots நம்ம எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம்? We can find by synthetic division. What is synthetic division? Write the coefficient of the given cubic equation in the first row. Coefficient of x cube 3 and coefficient of x square minus 26 and coefficient of x 52 and constant term minus 24. So our root is what? 2. Second row, first entry 0. Usually in synthetic division, second row, first entry 0. So 3 plus 0, 3. 2 into 3, 6. Minus 26 plus 6. 2 into 3, 6. Minus 26 plus 6. It is minus 20. Then 2 into minus 20. Minus 40. Plus 52 minus 40. It is 12. 52 minus 40 is what? 12. 2 into 12, 24. So remainder is what? 0. Of course we will get remainder is 0 because what? 2 is the root of the given cubic equation. So what is the corresponding factor? 3x square minus 20x plus 12 equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. If we solve this quadratic equation, we will get 2 roots. So we can find the 2 roots by this quadratic equation. Finally, we got the quadratic equation 3x square minus 20x plus 12 equal to 0. So we will factorize this. How we have to factorize? Take the coefficient of x square, multiply with the constant term. 3 into 12, 36. Then coefficient of x minus 20. If we multiply, we have to get 36, and if we add, we have to get minus 20. So what are the possibilities? 18 twos are 36. Minus into minus plus 18 twos are 36. Minus 18 minus 12 minus 20. But see the coefficient of x square is what? 3. So we can divide by 3. If we divide by 3, 1 3 is 3, 6 3s are 18. So minus 6 and minus 2 by 3. So the factors are x minus 6 into x minus 2 by 3 equal to 0. X minus 6 equal to 0. X is equal to 6. X minus 2 by 3 equal to 0. X is equal to 2 by 3. So we have found the other 2 roots 6 and 2 by 3. Therefore, the roots are 6, 2 and 2 by 3. So we will check that whether the given 3 roots form a geometric progression. T2 by T1. What is T2? 2 by 6. And T3 by T2. 2 by 3 by 2. So 2 by 6 is what? 1 2 is 2. 3 2s are 6. And here, what is 2 by 3 by 2? 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. So 2 to cancel. It is also what? 1 by 3. எப்படி ரெண்டு fraction divide பண்ணனும் actually என்ன அர்த்தம் 1 இருக்குதா அர்த்தம். So ரெண்டு fraction divide பண்ணனா condition 2 by 3 by 2 by 1. So first fraction as it is, multiple sign, reciprocal of the second fraction. So 2 to cancel, 1 by 3. So the common ratio is what? Equal. The 3 roots form a geometric progression. Therefore the roots are 6, 2 and 2 by 3. The fourth sum, determine k and solve the equation, cubic equation 2x cube minus 6x square plus 3x plus k equal to 0 if one of its roots is twice the sum of the other two roots. Of course, the given equation is what? Cubic equation. Why? Because degree is equal to what? 3. What is degree? Highest power of x. So what is highest power of x? 3. So degree 3. So we have 3 roots. What are the roots? Namely alpha, beta and gamma. So listen carefully. Here they are given one clue. What is the clue? One of its roots is twice the sum of the other roots. So one of its roots, maybe I take alpha is equal to what? Twice the sum of the other roots. So suppose what is sum of the other roots? Beta plus gamma. So twice means what? You just multiply by 2. So one of its roots is equal to twice the sum of the other roots. So they given the clue is what? Alpha is equal to 2 times of beta plus gamma. So from this clue we have to find the value of k. Also we have to solve the cubic equation. First we will write the cubic equation. 2x cube minus 6x square plus 3x plus k equal to 0. The coefficient of x cube is what? A. So a is equal to 2. The coefficient of x square is what? B. So b is equal to minus 6. The coefficient of x is what? C. So c is equal to 3. And the constant term is what? D. So d is equal to k. So what is S1? S1 is equal to what? Summation alpha. What is summation alpha? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. So alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b is what? Minus 6. So minus of minus 6, it is plus 6 by a is what? 2. So 6 by 2 is equal to what? 3. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 3. So take it as a first equation. But what is the given in the question? One of its roots is twice the sum of the other roots. That is alpha is equal to 2 times of beta plus gamma. What is that? Alpha is equal to 2 times of beta plus gamma. One of its roots is twice the sum of the other roots. So this is given in the question. So substitute the value of alpha in the first equation. Substitute. If you substitute the value of alpha in the first equation, we get 2 times of beta plus gamma plus beta plus gamma is equal to 3. So 2 times of beta plus gamma plus 1 times of beta plus gamma is equal to what? 3 times of beta plus gamma is equal to 3. In the multiple 3 answer division 3 ago. So beta plus gamma is equal to 3 by 3. So beta plus gamma is equal to 1. Beta plus gamma is equal to 1. So substitute this beta plus gamma is equal to 1 in the first equation. So what is our first equation? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 3. Beta plus gamma is equal to 1. The value of beta plus gamma is equal to 1. So alpha plus 1 is equal to 3. So alpha is equal to 3 minus 1. So alpha is equal to 2. So we have found one of its roots. So we have to find other two roots. Also we have to find the value of k. So alpha is equal to 2 is a root of the given cubic equation. So we have found that. So if alpha is equal to 2 is a root means what? Of course we will get remainder is 0. So we can solve this by synthetic division. In synthetic division, in first one we will write the coefficients of the given cubic equation. So 2, minus 6, 3 and k, and our root is what? 2. So second row first entry must be 0. So 2 plus 0, 2. 2 into 2, 4. Minus 6 plus 4, minus 2. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. 3 minus 4 minus 1, 2 into minus 1 minus 2. We have to get remainder is what? 0, which implies k minus 2 equal to 0. So k is equal to 2. K is equal to 2. K must be equal to 2. Why? Because 2 is a root of the given cubic equation means what? We have to get the remainder is 0. So last step k minus 2 equal to 0. K is equal to 2. Okay. So now the cubic equation is what? 2x cubed minus 6x square plus 3x plus 2 equal to 0 is our cubic equation. So still we have to find other two roots. So what is the other corresponding factor? So corresponding factor is 2x square minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. From this we have found that 2x square minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So how we have to factorize this? Take the coefficient of x square, multiply with the constant term. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 and coefficient of x is what? Minus 2. So multiply பண்ணாலும் minus 2, multiply பண்ணாலும் minus 2 கிடைக்கணும், add பண்ணாலும் minus 2 கிடைக்கணும். So we have no possibilities. So for that we can use quadratic formula. So what is quadratic formula? Suppose our quadratic equation is what? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is our quadratic equation means. So what is our quadratic formula? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So why I am using that capital A, capital B, capital C? Because already we have used small a, small b, small c. So here the value of a is what? 2 coefficient of x square, and value of b is what? Coefficient of x. So minus 2. C is equal to minus 1. So what is quadratic formula? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So minus b, minus of minus 2 plus 2 plus or minus square root of b square minus 2 square minus 4a 2 into c is what? Minus 1 whole divided by 2a. So 2 into 2. So 2 plus or minus square root of minus 2 square plus 4, then minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8 by 4. So 2 plus or minus square root of 12 by 4. Square root of 12, how can you find? So square root of 12 we can write it as what? Square root of 4 into 3, square root of 4, 2, square root of 3, square root of 3 only. So square root of 12 we can write it as what? 2 into square root of 3. So I can write here 2 plus or minus 2 square root of 3 by 4. So finally we got 2 plus or minus 2 square root of 3 by 4. From this I can take 2 as common. If you take 2 as common, 2 into 1 plus or minus square root of 3 by 4. Cancel this. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. So x is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 3 by 2. So here we got two roots. What are the roots? X is equal to 1 plus square root of 3 by 2 and 1 minus square root of 3 by 2. Therefore, the roots are 2, 1 plus or minus square root of 3 by 2, and the value of k is what? K is equal to 2. Now exercise 3.3, fifth sum. Find all zeros of the polynomial x power 6 minus 3x power 5 minus 5x power 4 plus 22x cube minus 39x square minus 39x plus 135 if it is known that 1 plus 2i and square root of 3 are 2 of its roots. So what is the given polynomial equation? X power 6 minus 3x power 5 minus 5x power 4 plus 22x cube minus 39x square minus 39x plus 135 equal to 0. But they given is what? 2 roots. They are given 2 roots, 1 plus 2i and square root of 3 are 2 of its roots are zeros. Roots nalu onnudha, zeros nalu onnudha. The given polynomial equation is x power 6 minus 3x power 5 minus 5x power 4 plus 22x cube minus 39x square minus 39x plus 135 equal to 0. So what is the degree of this polynomial equation? 6. Why 6? Because the highest power of x is what? 6. See that here power of x is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the highest power of x is what? 6. So degree is equal to 6. So we must get 6 roots. But here they are given only 2 roots, 1 plus 2i and the square root of 3. So we have to find remaining 4 roots. So we must get what? 6 roots. But in the question they are given only 2 roots, 1 plus 2i and square root of 3. So from this we can find another root. Also from this we can find another root. So what is that first step? 1 plus 2i is a root of the given polynomial equation. Given polynomial equation. So which implies 1 minus 2i is also a root. Yes or no? So we have seen the note, last class we have seen the note, if a plus ib is a root, that is z0, then z0 bar a minus ib is also a root. So likewise here 1 plus 2i is a root of the given polynomial equation, means 1 minus 2i and the conjugate 1 plus 2i and the conjugate method 1 minus 2i is also a root of the given polynomial equation. So now we got 2 roots, 1 plus 2i and 1 minus 2i. So from this we can form a quadratic equation. Sum of roots. What is sum of roots? 1 plus 2i plus 1 minus 2i. So plus 2i minus 2i will be cancelled. 1 plus 1 2. So sum is 2 and product. What is our product? 1 plus 2i into 1 minus 2i is in the form of what? A plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. 1 square is what? 1 minus 2 square 4 I square minus 1. We know the value of I square is what? Minus 1. So 4 into minus 1 minus 4. So already value minus review. So minus of minus 4 it is plus 4. So product equal to 5. So product equal to 5. So what is the required quadratic equation? Required quadratic equation is x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots equal to 0. If we know the sum and product of roots, we can form the quadratic equation using this formula. So x square minus sum of roots 2 into x plus product of roots 5 equal to 0. So this is one of our quadratic equations. So also given square root of 3 is a root of the given polynomial equation x power 6 minus 3x power 5 minus 5x power 4 plus 22x cube minus 39x square minus 39x plus 135 equal to 0. So root nalu 0 nalu same da one da சரிங்களா? If p plus square root of q, if p plus square root of q is a root of a polynomial equation, then what? P minus square root of q is also a root. Yes or no? So last class we have seen this. No, here also they given square root of 3 is a root of the polynomial equation. Square root of 3 is a root. So we can take this 0 plus square root of 3 is a root. So which implies 0 minus square root of 3 is also a root of the same polynomial equation. So 0 plus square root of 3 is what? Square root of 3 only. 0 minus square root of 3 is what? Minus square root of 3 only. So sum of roots. What is sum of roots? Square root of 3 plus minus square root of 3. So plus square root of 3 minus square root of 3 will be 0. And product. Plus 3, 0 plus square root of 3 is a root. We will take like this, which implies what? 0 minus square root of 3 is also a root. Okay, so sum of roots what? Plus square root of 3 plus minus square root of 3. Plus into minus, minus only. So plus square root of 3 minus square root of 3 equal to 0. And product square root of 3 into minus square root of 3 plus into minus, minus square root of 3 into square root of 3, 3. So we know that square root of a into square root of a is equal to what? A. So likewise square root of 3 into square root of 3 equal to what? 3. So product is what? Minus 3. So what is the required quadratic equation? Required quadratic equation is x square minus sum of roots will be x plus product of roots equal to 0. So x square minus sum of roots 0. So 0x plus product of roots minus 3. Minus 3 equal to 0. So the required quadratic equation is what? X square minus 3 equal to 0. So this is the another required quadratic equation. We got a quadratic equation x square minus 3 equal to 0. So what is our first quadratic equation? X square minus 2x plus 5. And second quadratic equation x square minus 3 equal to 0. So first we will multiply this. Take x square, multiply with x square. X square into x square, x power 4. Then take x square, multiply with minus 3. So x square into minus 3 is minus 3x square. Now you take x term, minus 2x with x square. Minus into plus, minus 2x into x square, 2x cube. Then minus 2x into minus 3. Minus into minus plus 2 3s are 6. 6 into x, 6x. Now we will take the constant term 5 into x square. 5x square, 5 into minus 3 is minus 15 equal to 0. So x power 4 minus 2x cube minus 3x square plus 5x square. எப்பவுமே x square term தான் என்ன பண்ணும்? add பண்ணும், subtract பண்ணும். So 5x square minus 3x square is 2x square plus 6x minus 15 equal to 0. So now take this quadratic equation and divide by the given polynomial equation. We will get a quadratic equation. So they given 1 plus 2i is a root. From this we have found that what? 1 minus 2i is a root. Also square root of 3 is a given root. From this we have found that what? Minus square root of 3 is a root. So using these 4 roots we form a polynomial equation of degree 4. Take this polynomial equation of degree 4, that is quadratic equation, and divide by the given polynomial equation of degree 6. So how we have to divide? Here we are not going to use synthetic division, it is ordinary division. So how we have to divide? You just compare the first term. Here x power 4 and here x power 6. இந்த x power 4 ஓட எதை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா நமக்கு x power 6 கிடைக்கும் பார்க்கணும். அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணுங்க, you just divide x power 6 and x power 4. This x power 6 I can write as what, x square into x square into x square, and x power 4 I can write as what, x square into x square. So x square cancel, x square cancel, so x square. அதனால இந்த x power 4 ஓட எதை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா நமக்கு x power 6 கிடைக்கும், x square. x power 4 ஓட x square மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா x power 6 கிடைக்கும். So x power 4 into x square, x power 6, minus into plus, minus 2x cube into x square, it is minus 2x power 5, then plus into plus, plus 2x square into x square is 2x power 4, then plus into plus, plus 6x into x square, 6x cube, then minus into plus, minus 15 into x square, 15x square. So now change the sign, plus x power 6, so minus, minus 2x power 5, so plus, minus, minus and plus. Plus x power 6 minus x power 6 will be cancelled, minus 3x power 5 plus 2x power 5, it is minus 1x power 5, so it is minus x power 5. Minus 5x power 4 minus 2x power 4 is minus 7x power 4. 22x cube minus 6x cube, so it is 16x cube. Then minus 39 plus 15, minus 39, so plus 15, so 39 la 15 gona, it's 24. So minus 39x square plus 15x square is minus 24x square. Take next two terms, minus 39x plus 135. Now compare the first term, x power 4 here minus x power 5. இந்த x power 4 ஓட எதை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா நமக்கு minus x power 5 கிடைக்கும். அதை கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு இந்த minus x power 5 ல x power 4 ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணுங்க. So minus x power 5 we can write as what, x into x into x into x by x power 4, x into x into x into x, x cancel, x cancel, x cancel, x cancel, so minus x. So அப்ப இந்த x power 4 minus x ஓட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும், minus x power 5 கிடைக்கும். So here minus x. So take all the terms, multiply with minus x. X power 4 into minus x, minus x power 5, minus into minus, plus 2x cube into x, it's 2x power 4, then plus into minus, minus 2x square into minus x, it's minus 2x cube, then plus into minus, minus 6x into x, 6x square, then minus into minus plus 15x. Now we'll change the sign, minus, so plus, plus, minus, minus ஆருக்கு plus, minus ஆருக்கு plus, plus ஆருக்கு minus. So minus x power 5 plus x power 5 will be cancelled. Minus 7x power 4 minus 2x power 4, it's minus 9x power 4. 16x cube plus 2x cube, it's 18x cube. Then minus 24x square plus 6x square, it's minus 18x square. Then minus 39x minus 15, so minus 13 minus 15, 30 plus 10, 40, 49, 54, it's minus 54x plus 135. Now in the x power 4 ஓட எதை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா நமக்கு minus 9x power 4 கிடைக்கும். So minus 9 into x power 4, so minus 9 மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா போதும், சரிங்களா? So x power 4 into minus 9, minus 9x power 4. Now we take all the terms, multiply with the minus 9. X power 4 into minus 9, minus 9x power 4, minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, 2 9s are 18, 18 into x cube, 18x cube, then plus into minus, minus 2 9s are 18, 18 into x square, 18x square, then plus into minus, minus 6 9s are 54, 54 into x, 54x, then minus into minus plus, 59s are 135. Change the sign, plus, minus, plus, plus, minus. So all the terms will be cancelled. So remainder is what? 0. See this, minus 9x power 4 plus 9x power 4 plus 18 minus 18 minus 18 plus 18 minus 54 plus 54 plus 135 minus 135. So remainder is 0. So from this we got a quadratic equation, x square minus x minus 9. So the given polynomial equation of degree 6 we can write it as what? X power 4 minus 2x cube plus 2x square plus 6x minus 15 into x square minus x minus 9. So this polynomial equation of degree 4 we have found the roots from 1 plus 2i, 1 minus 2i, square root of 3 and minus square root of 3. So still we have to find two more roots. The two roots we can find by this quadratic equation. So x square minus x minus 9 equal to 0. So we can use quadratic formula. So to find the quadratic formula, we need the value of a. A is what? Coefficient of x square 1. B is what? Coefficient of x. So minus 1 and C is what? Minus 9. What is our quadratic formula? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So minus b, minus of minus 1 plus 1 plus or minus square root of b square minus 1 square plus 1 minus 4 into a into c minus 9 by minus 4 into a is what? 1 and c is what? Minus 9 by 2a, 2 into 1. So 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus, so minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus, 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36 by 2. So 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 36 by 2. So x is equal to what? 1 plus or minus square root of 37 by 2. So we have found the two roots, 1 plus square root of 37 by 2 and 1 minus square root of 37 by 2. So we found all the 6 roots. Therefore, the roots are 1 plus or minus 2i, that 1 plus 2i and 1 minus 2i, and plus or minus square root of 3, that plus square root of 3 minus square root of 3. Other two roots, 1 plus or minus square root of 37 by 2. So we found all the 6 roots for the given polynomial equation of degree 6. Now we will see one property, polynomial equations with even powers only. What is even powers? Suppose you consider the equation x power 4 minus 9x square plus 20 equal to 0. See the power of x, 4, 2. So these numbers are what? Even numbers. So that is even powers, x power 4 x square. So polynomial equations with even powers only. Suppose if the polynomial equation having only even powers, how you have to solve? That is the property. See that if p of x is a polynomial equation of degree 2n, that is having only even powers of x, then replacing x square by y. What you have to replace? Replacing x square by y, we get a polynomial equation of degree n. We get a polynomial equation of degree n in the variable y. So then we can solve the equation. Consider this question, x power 4 minus 9x square plus 20 equal to 0. So here we have that what? Only even powers of x. So for that we can replace x square by y. So எங்கனா x square வருதோ அங்கலாம் என்ன பண்ணனும்? ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணு, y யும் ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணுங்க. இந்த x power 4 எழுதலாம் x square into x square minus 9x square plus 20 equal to 0. So x square we have to take it by y. So y into y, y square minus 9 x square நம்ம என்ன ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணும் y ன்னு ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணும் y square minus 9y plus 20 equal to 0. So this is our polynomial equation. When you solve this polynomial equation, we will get the value of 2y's. So எத்தனை வேல்யூ கிடைக்கும் y க்கு 2 values கிடைக்கும் சரிங்களா. சோ அந்த y ஓட வேல்யூ எத்தனை பண்ணலாம் x square க்கு ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம ஈஸியா சால்வ் பண்ணலாம். Zeros of polynomial equations. Let p of x equal to 0 be a polynomial equation. The first property, if sum of all the coefficients of p of x equal to 0, which implies x minus 1 is a factor of p of x, or x is equal to 1 is a 0 of p of x. Sum of all the coefficient of p of x equal to 0, which implies x minus 1 is a factor of p of x, or x is equal to 1. So factor ஆகும்போது x minus 1, 0 ஆகும்போது x is equal to 1. Next property, sum of the coefficients of all powers of x equal to sum of the coefficients of even powers of x. So all powers of x coefficient even powers of x oda coefficient equal ஆகுதா, we can say that x plus 1 is a factor, or x is equal to minus 1 is a 0 of p of x. So these two properties we are studied in 10th standard itself. So again we are studying this. So just recall this. First one, sum of the coefficients of p of x equal to 0, then what? X minus 1 is a factor, or x is equal to 1 is a 0. And next one, sum of the coefficients of odd powers of x equal to sum of the coefficients of even powers of x, which implies x plus 1 is a factor, or x is equal to minus 1 is a 0 of p of x. So using these two properties, now we can solve the two problems. Now exercise 3.3, sixth question. Solve the cubic equations. First part, second part we will do later. Solve the cubic equation 2x cube minus 9x square plus 10x equal to 3. So I take, let p of x is equal to 2x cube minus 9x square plus 10x, the plus 3 inside and the minus 3 equal to 0. So this is our given cubic equation. We will find sum of all the coefficients of p of x. So what are the coefficients? X cube or the coefficient 2, x square the coefficients minus 9, x or the coefficients 10, and constant term minus 3. So positive numbers, 2 plus 10, 12, minus 3, minus 9. So it is minus 12. So 12 minus 12, 0. So sum of all the coefficients of p of x equal to 0, which implies what? X minus 1 is a factor of p of x. That is, x is equal to 1 is a 0 or a root. 0 or a root of p of x. சரிங்களா? So we know one root, we have to find what? Other two roots, because here the degree of equation is what? 3. So we found one root, so we have to find the other two roots. How will you find? We will find using synthetic division. In synthetic division, what shall we do? Write the coefficients of p of x in the first row. 2, minus 9, 10 and minus 3. So what is our root? 1. So second row, first entry 0, 2 plus 0, 2, 1 into 2, 2, minus 9 plus 2, minus 7, 1 into minus 7, minus 7, 10 minus 7, 3, 1 into 3, 3, minus 3 plus 3, 0. So what is the corresponding factor? Corresponding factor is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. 2x square minus 7x plus 3. The constant term x term, x square term. So now we'll factorize this. Take the coefficient of x square, multiply with the constant term. So when we multiply, we have to get 6. 2 3s are 6. And when we add, we have to get minus 7. So I'll take minus 6 minus 1. Minus into minus plus 6 ones are 6. Minus 6 you minus you add panna minus 7. But what is the coefficient of x square? 2. So divide by 2. If you divide by 2, 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6. And here minus 1 by 2. So the factors are x minus 3 into x minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. X minus 3 equal to 0, x is equal to 3. And x minus 1 by 2 equal to 0, x is equal to 1 by 2. So we found other two roots. So therefore, the roots are, what is our first root? 1, 3 and 1 by 2. Exercise 3.3, sixth question, second part. Solve the cubic equations 8x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. So already we have finished first term. Now we will see the sixth question, second part. 8x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Sum of the coefficients of all powers of x. Sum of the coefficients of odd powers of x in the polynomial p of x. So what are the odd powers of x? X power 3 and minus 7x. You know, odd powers of x is 3, inga 1. So the odd power. Other coefficients is 8 and minus 7. So 8 minus 7, 1. And next is what? Sum of the coefficients of even powers of x. So what are the even powers of x? 2 including the constant term. Even powers constant term so other coefficients minus 2 and the constant term plus 3. So minus 2 plus 3. So 3 minus 2, 1. So sum of the coefficients of odd powers of x, sum of the coefficients of even powers of x equal are 1. So x plus 1 is a factor of p of x. That is, x is equal to minus 1 is a root of p of x. So we found one root. So we have to find what? Other two roots. These other two roots we can find by synthetic division. In synthetic division, what shall we do? Write the coefficients of p of x in the first row. 8, minus 2, minus 7 and 3. What is our root? Minus 1. Second row, first entry, 0. 8 plus 0, 8. Minus 1 into 8, minus 8. Minus 2, minus 8, minus 10. Minus into minus plus, 110 is 10. Minus 7 plus 10, 3. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. So remainder is what? 0. So what is the corresponding factor? The corresponding factor is constant term, x square term. So 8x square minus 10x plus 3 equal to 0. So how we have to factorize? Take the coefficient of x square, multiply with the constant term. 8 3s are 24 and the coefficient of x minus 10. Multiply panna plus 24, add panna minus 10. So we will select minus 6 and minus 4. Minus into minus plus, 6 4s are 24. Minus 6 minus 4, add panna minus 10. But what is the coefficient of x square? 8. So divide by 8. If we divide by 8, we can cancel by 2 table. 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8. Here 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. So our factors are x minus 3 by 4 into x minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. So x minus 3 by 4 equal to 0. X is equal to 3 by 4 and x minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. x is equal to 1 by 2. So we found the other two roots. What are they? 3 by 4 and 1 by 2. Therefore, the roots are. So what is our first root? Minus 1. Second root 3 by 4 and third root 1 by 2. So the roots are minus 1, 3 by 4 and 1 by 2. Now the seventh sum. Solve the equation x power 4 minus 14x square plus 45 equal to 0. So we have seen one property, polynomial equation having only even powers. See this polynomial equation, we have what? Only even powers. So we don't have what? Odd powers of x. So when we have only the even powers of x, so what we have to do? Replace x square by y. Replace x square by y. Then we get a equation, polynomial equation. Then we can go ahead. So now our polynomial equation is what? X power 4. This x power 4, how can we write? X square into x square. X square into x square. But we have to replace x square by what? Y. So above y into y. So y into y, y square. Upon the x power 4 now y square marichi. Minus 14 x square. X square we now replace y. So minus 14y plus 45 equal to 0. Now we have to factorize this polynomial equation. It is a quadratic equation. Y square minus 14y plus 45 equal to 0. So how we have to factorize? Take the coefficient of y square, multiply with the constant term. So 1 into 45 and coefficient of y is what? Minus 14. Take the coefficient of y square, multiply with the constant term. 1 into 45 and coefficient of y is what? Minus 14. Appo multiply panna plus 45, add panna minus 14. So minus 9, minus 5 we will select. So minus into minus plus 9 5s are 45. Minus 9 minus 5 add panna minus 14. Here the coefficient of y square is what? 1. So we can take the factors are y minus 9 and y minus 5 equal to 0. The factors are y minus 9 and y minus 5 equal to 0. So y minus 9 equal to 0 and y minus 5 equal to 0. So first we will take y minus 9 equal to 0. So what is the value of 5? We have replaced x square by y. So the value of y is what? X square. So x square minus 9 equal to 0. X square equal to 9. X is equal to square root of 9. So what is the value of square root of 9? Plus or minus 3. Yeah? Plus 3 square value 9 da, minus 3 square value 9 da. So the square root of 9 is what? Plus or minus 3. And what is our second equation? Y minus 5 equal to 0. Y minus 5 equal to 0. But what is the value of y? X square. So x square minus 5 equal to 0. X square equal to 5. So inga irukra square check pananum. Square root aidum. So square root of 5, that is plus or minus square root of 5. So again we will get two roots. Therefore the roots are plus or minus 3 and plus or minus square root of 5. Sarila, our degree of equation is what? 4. So we have to get 4 roots. The roots are plus or minus 3 and plus or minus square root of 5.